What's good, y'all? It's your boy Nemo, LoC, whatever, repping that SGC. You already know. Okay. Decided to make a Crip song. You know what I'm saying? Over a sloppy beat, cause we carry heat in the street, and all them slobs is beneath our feet. You know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying? I'm trued out right now. You know what I'm saying? Got true shirt, black, true hat, true rag. You know what I'm saying? This is orange for y'all. It's Mets colors right here. You know what I'm saying? True, orange, and black. You know what I'm saying? That's what I got on my shirt. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's a Crip song real quick for y'all. Most of y'all not gonna understand what I'm talking about. If you're Crip, you should understand what I'm talking about. Especially if you SGC, you better know, you better decipher everything in this, and you better, that shit was hard, alright? You know what I'm saying? So tell me what you think about it, and you know what I'm saying? See up all day, you know what I'm saying? Alright? Okay, yo, check it, just a Crip thing, you know how Crip bangs down the blue lane, with check up on my left side, to the final dimension, where two dimensions never centric, you know how LoC do, we steady dipping, and dropping shells, cause we some 211, C21, 21, so you know, I'm always with my weapon, if there's a 187, on a 101, you know C6 is there, so see aware and see ready, 40404, on a 184, that's just 407, and my bullets like I'm calling 911, to you slow, lazy, old bitches. PK all day to you niggas dead in ditches. Motherfuckers, do you hear my wishes? Just 7 up, 7 try to find out who the fuck this is. And this is me, I am he. Carry guns in these streets, shoot a slob out of sneaks. If I ever meet this beat, I'm on my way to heaven, cause all Crips do. You know this is true. Why the fuck you think the sky's blue? Yeah, I kinda messed up there when I was saying that motherfuckers be hitting my wishes, get 7 up. I meant to say motherfuckers be hitting my wishes, get 7 up, steady trying to find out who this is. That's what I meant to say. You know what I'm saying? But whatever, I fucked up, I don't care. Shit ain't perfect, just know this. Then I had another part I went, yeah, I rip rides, split thighs, get high, touch the sky, don't ask why, I stay fly, DOA, LoC, love of cash on my knees.